Holy crap, getting far.
No.
I'm gonna switch. I'm
What?
gonna switch.
What?
I didn't even know that was possible.
Yeah, Codex, I have... I mean... Oh, Hawks is already gone, damn it.
Where did he go?
Oh, there's Hawks.
Shut the lid.
Hawk's fruit.
Hawks.
Go die.
I have extremely high metabolism too, because like... The other day, I had a burger and a shake from Dairy Queen, which is like 2,500 calories, and I gained 0 pounds.
Oh yeah, that's how it is.
Bitches.
Yeah, Dairy Queen's really good.
Dairy Queen's like,
Cakes are really good.
they're like underrated in terms of the fast food department.
Okay, I was gonna say, I swear to God, if Hydex would have had the opposite opinion.
Why would I say that? The only
Because
fast
he
food
always-
place,
This isn't Purple Box anymore. What
the only
the...
fast food place I'll call bad is like, I don't know, none of them. They're all pretty good. Fast food as a whole in America is pretty good, but that's all.
Going?
Burger King.
I'm gonna
Bro.
die 98.
Diet 98 this attempt right now. Do it.
What?
What's that?
Oh, congrats.
Is it an insane? Oh, it's a hard demon.
I don't-
Wow,
I
such
don't know
pro.
why I
New
put this.
hardest.